Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing great. My name is Gaurash. I'm back with about 4 to 5 hot stocks to watch for today. So let's get started for today, guys. The first stock, name of the company is Indaptus Therapeutics. Ticker symbol is INDP. Pre-market price is 3.19. It is up by about 27% today. Before us volume is 4.7 million for this stock. The news for this stock was that Indaptus shares jump after announcing plans to test cancer treatment in a phase 1 clinical trial. So they are in the phase 1 of the clinical trial, and this news came in today morning at 8:30 a.m. Once this news came out, you can see it went from about 2.84 to about 3.44. Right now it is trading at around 3.19. This is the first stock to watch, guys. The second stock, name of the company CBAK Energy Technology, ticker symbol is CBAT. Pre-market price is 1.22. It is up by about 14% today. Before us volume is 4.6 million. News for this stock is that CBAK Energy reports first quarter 2022 unaudited financial results, and they have given out the financial results, and this news came in today morning at 5:30 a.m. and most of the news is positive, because the net revenues were 80.2 million, an increase of 752% from 9.4 million in the same year of 2021, in the same period of 2021. So they are having some great profits, and because of this news, you can see it went from about 1.07 to about 1.39. Now it is trading at around 1.19. So this is the second stock to watch, guys. The third stock, name of the company is Siga Technologies. Ticker symbol is SIGA. Pre-market price is 9.11. Pre-market price is 9.11. It is up by about 24% today. Before us volume is 2.9 million for this stock. The news for this stock was that Siga receives approval from the FDA for intravenous formulation of TPOXX, the drug that they are working on, and FDA receives, and like Siga would be receiving approval for from FDA for that, and this would be the third stock to watch. The fourth stock, name of the company is IMAC Holding. The news for this there was not a specific news for this stock, but as you can see, the before hours volume is 2.8 million for this stock, and that's why I'm also watching this stock. So these are the four stocks that I'll be watching today, but keep in mind, guys, these are penny stocks, so don't risk and wait too long for these stocks, because these are penny stocks. So this once they go up for by 20 to 15 to 20%, they are tending to go down. So keep that in mind before investing your savings into those, and try playing safe, guys, because as you can see, the futures today also, the market would be going down, I believe so, because the futures are down, so everything is red, and the Fed is going to increase the interest rates again in this month or in next month, but that would be a very bad thing for the market, and everyone is trying to get out of the market for now. And once it bottoms out, then at that time you can buy all your favorite stocks like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, all of those. But right now, try to get all of your money out of the market, and for this penny stocks, just wait for 15 to 20% of gains, and just watch the price growth. If they are not growing much, then don't invest into them. But if the volume is high, and if they are trending to go up, then only invest your savings, and book your profits for 15 to 20% of gains. Yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you like my videos. Hope you're earning some profits from them. If you want to know daily hot stocks in the morning, I am posting all the stocks in the morning at 8, around 8 to 9, in the market, in the before hours markets, so that you can come to know which stocks to watch for, based on the news. But don't blindly invest into it. I'm not a financial expert, but I'm just showing you what I am looking at. So these are the four stocks that I'll be watching, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.